Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you walk just 30 minutes a day? Walking is a simple act that can drastically change your health. Walking is one of the easiest exercises we can do. It requires no equipment and works for everyone. But how does this simple activity impact our bodies? First, walking boosts your metabolism. This means you burn more calories, even at rest. Next, your heart health improves. Walking strengthens your heart, reducing the risk of heart disease. Walking also enhances mood. It releases endorphins, boosting happiness and reducing stress. This leads to better mental health overall. Additionally, walking helps strengthen muscles and bones. It works your legs, core, and back. This also improves balance and coordination over time. Let's consider a typical day. Imagine walking during your lunch break or after dinner. You start feeling more energetic, happier, and healthier. It becomes a routine that transforms your lifestyle. In summary, walking 30 minutes daily boosts metabolism, improves heart health, enhances mood, and strengthens muscles. It's a simple step to a healthier you. Ready to transform your health? Start now! Grab your sneakers and walk today.